how to fix Anbernic RG35XX stuck on loading screen? Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix your Anbernic RG35XX if it's stuck on the loading screen and won't boot properly. So if your handheld freezes at the logo or keeps looping without starting, don't worry, it's usually a simple software or SD card issue. Now, here is the solution step by step. Step 1. Power off the device. Hold down the power button for about 10 seconds until the screen goes black. Unplug any USB cables or memory cards connected to it. Step 2. Check the SD card. Most of the time, this issue comes from a corrupted SD card. Remove the SD card from the device and insert it into your computer using a card reader. If your computer doesn't detect it, that's a clear sign it's damaged or needs reformatting. Step 3. Reformat or reflash the SD card. If the SD card is detected, back up your files if possible. Then format the card to FAT32 using tools like Rufus or SD card formatter. After formatting, reflash a fresh copy of the RG35XX OS image, like Garlic OS or the stock firmware. You can find the official image on Anbernic's website or community forums. Once the image is flashed, safely remove the SD card and insert it back into your RG35XX. Step 4. Boot up the device. Turn it on again. If everything went well, your console should now boot past the loading screen into the main menu. Step 5. Try a different SD card, if needed. If it's still stuck, try another micro SD card. Sometimes the original one is faulty. Reflash the system again on the new card, then boot up. Important notes. Don't unplug the device or remove the SD card while it's turning on or off. Always use a quality SD card. Cheap or fake cards often cause boot issues. Keep a backup of your OS image in case you need to reflash it again later. All right, that's it. You've just learned how to fix an Anbernic RG35XX stuck on the loading screen. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more handheld console fixes and setup guides.